Does it matter if I disclose to the buyer of my home that there was a insurance claim a few years back? Abso-freaking-lutely it does, right? And it's not just so that you have an informed buyer, it's also due to insurance reasons. We have a client right now who's being represented by one of our team members, and they just found out the day before close of escrow that the seller did not disclose there had been an insurance claim a few years back. The insurance claim was for some type of plumbing leak. It was $50,000 claim. Yes, they had the stuff fixed. They had it repaired, right? But here's the problem with that not being disclosed. Now the buyer's insurance carrier discovered it on their own right before close of escrow. We don't know now if that insurance carrier is even going to be willing to insure the house. And if they are, they might not be willing to insure the house at the same price they had quoted. So now at the last second, there's this huge hurdle that could completely kill the transaction, all because the seller didn't disclose this issue. So folks, it's super important that you disclose everything you know about these houses, because it impacts whether the buyer's able to get a loan, because in this scenario, if they can't get insurance, they can't get a loan. And you also want to be able to close on time, right? You don't want to have a delay. Had this buyer known this information earlier, they could have reached out to a bunch of different insurance carriers to make sure that they could get the home insured, because their lender requires that house to be insured to issue the loan. So make sure you disclose any prior insurance claims.